What is the marks card and how do you use it in Tableau? Let's start by dragging sales, a measure, onto text. Everything in the marks card is going to affect your level of detail, except tooltip. So if I put sum of sales, a measure, onto text, it shows that value in text. If I move it up to color, it's only colored. Anytime you put a measure on the marks card, it will aggregate it. So it just took sales and summed it up to 2.2 million. You can also move sales to size, and the mark will be sized by the measure. Let's talk about dimensions. So if I grab region and put it on text, I get the view split by region. So now I have 4 different marks, one for each region. Moving region to detail will do the exact same thing. You're just going to have 4 squares instead of text. Put region to color, you're going to have 4 different color fields. And region onto size, each square is sized differently for each region. Let's do some practical examples of moving things on the marks card. If I put region onto rows, and then sales on columns, let's sort it, I get a bar chart. Let's move other things onto the marks card to see what happens. So if I put sales on size, now each bar is sized differently by sales. Put sales on color, now the highest value, west, is the bluest color, and it goes down to south with the lowest blue color. Now if you put regions on different areas in the marks card, if I put region on label, then the label is set to be that region. Put region on color, the bar chart is split into 4 different colors, one for each region. Region on size, and it's going to do the same thing. West is now the thickest, and east is now the thinnest. And that's the marks card in Tableau. Hope this helps.